something else fun.
That was so cool, right? Okay, are you ready?
Yes, I already started it.
Okay, excuse me, Nadia.
Let's see it in my video.
Set. Whoa, that was hard. And that makes Fishy win.
Fishy won that race. That was your fault.
That was your
Fault. What are you crying?